Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the most reliable tools and gear on the market. Today, we're bringing you what we consider the best jack stands heavy-duty 6-ton set available right now. The big red T46002A Torin steel jack stands. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY car enthusiast, this pair of jack stands should be on your radar, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why. Let's start by setting the scene. You've lifted your vehicle and now you need a secure, dependable set of jack stands to keep it suspended while you work. That's where the big red T46002A comes in. Boasting a massive 6-ton capacity per pair, that's 12,000 pounds of rock-solid support for your vehicle. But strength alone doesn't cut it. What makes these stands truly shine is their double locking mechanism. This feature is a game-changer in safety. The ratchet bar locks into position easily with a forged iron sawtooth design for quick and precise height adjustment. But Torin didn't stop there. They added a removable locking pin to double down on security. In fact, this pin increases the safety factor by 200%, according to the manufacturer. That means more peace of mind while you're working under tons of metal. Now, let's talk about range. These jack stands have a lifting range from 15 3/8 of an inch up to 23 13/16 of an inch. This makes them ideal for not just small cars, but also larger vehicles like ATVs, UTVs, and even lifted trucks. They give you the flexibility and clearance you need, without sacrificing stability. Speaking of stability, the base is wide and robust. The pyramid-style design isn't just for looks. It offers a strong, balanced footprint that keeps the stands grounded, even under load. Each stand features a foot base measuring 10.6 by 9.3 inches, giving it a solid foundation that grips the ground and minimizes wobble. That's especially important when you're working on uneven surfaces like gravel or a garage floor that's not perfectly level. Let's just say these things are tough. Made from industrial-grade alloy steel and welded for durability, these stands are clearly built to last. They have a clean red finish and weigh in at 18 pounds total, so they're substantial without being unwieldy. The saddle, which is the top part that cradles your vehicle, is also worth noting. It has a large contact surface, which means it better distributes the weight of the vehicle and minimizes the chance of slippage. That's a thoughtful detail that enhances both the safety and functionality of the stands. And yes, there are alternatives on the market, but few offer the same combination of double locking safety, high load capacity, wide height range, and rugged construction, all at this price point. So, if you're looking for a reliable, heavy-duty pair of jack stands that won't let you down, the big red T46002A Torin steel jack stands absolutely deserve a spot in your garage. That wraps up today's critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dive reviews on the tools that matter. Drop a comment if you've used these stands or have another favorite. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, this is Product Critique, your go-to source for tools that work as hard as you do.